Dive with me into this house resting on the shores of a serene lake in Kaunas, Lithuania, a bold yet sensitive composition, rising in the Noah nature of architecture neighborhood, where harmony between nature and contemporary design is the standard. At first glance, house in Kaunas looks like a contemporary fortress, with austere walls of raw concrete and dark metal accents that convey security and introspection. Yet, this introverted exterior hides an interior that feels completely open, 4 rectangular volumes connected by corridors. Arranged in an irregular polygonal shape, they embrace an inner courtyard, turning it into the true heart of the home. The materials were chosen with precision. Concrete reveals its raw texture and solidity, while the dark metal cladding adds a refined graphic quality. Inside, exposed concrete ceilings reinforce the honesty of the structure and its aesthetics. The dominant concrete not only serves a structural function, but also becomes the main design element. Its raw and vibrant texture gives the building a sense of solidity and longevity. This monumental presence is softened and gains a graphic character thanks to the dark metal surfaces. The dialogue between concrete and metal creates an impression that is visually powerful yet harmonious. The entrance, with its generous garage, acts as a buffer separating the street from the private spaces. If the street-facing facade is reserved and introverted, the facades facing the courtyard and the lake are its complete opposite. This courtyard, with its spacious terrace protected from the wind and from prying eyes, becomes the main stage of family life during the warmer months, seamlessly connected to the living room, dining area, and kitchen through floor-to-ceiling glass panels. Here, indoors and outdoors merge, with the lake serving as a living canvas that changes with every season. Descending the stairs, we reach the basement, a complete recreational space featuring a gym, sauna, and shower. A retreat to rejuvenate body and mind, emphasizing that this home was designed for a full living experience. House in Kaunas is not just another house. It is mature, sculptural architecture that respects its context while reinforcing privacy, even within a community that shares a unified aesthetic vision. Here, design and life meet in perfect balance.